Makhumalo was asking Musamseleku why Makwela quits her job. So Macele get upset why Makhumalo was asking such a question. Yes, Makhumalo was right because she knows that Musamseleku is coming back to Makhumalo and asking her to help him with his bills of his wives because his wives are not working as Macele. You know that sometimes Macele, she can get angry with something sensitive, something serious. Macele does not know that Makhumalo was one who was helping Musamseleku to pay her car insurance every month. Macele doesn't know those things. So Makhumalo have got a right to ask Musamseleku why Makwela quit her job because Musamseleku was the one who told Makwela to quit her job. But now Makwela is asking money to Musamseleku. Musamseleku can give Makwela 100 rands on cameras. I don't understand, guys. Because, guys, women, you can't quit your job because you want to get married. Musamseleku says Makwela was working far from me, so I told her to quit what. But Musamseleku have to find a good job for Makwela. Musamseleku, why he doesn't want Makwela to work? He knows that Makwela, she is still young and Makwela is not staying with Musamseleku. Makwela can decide anytime to leave Musamseleku. Makwela married to Musamseleku because Musamseleku promised Makwela many things. Guys, you can't marry to a person who is older than you because of love. No, there is no love between. Maybe Makwela now, she is now love Musamseleku, but at that time when she agreed to marry Musamseleku promised Makwela many things that he can do for Makwela. That's why Makwela agreed to quit the job. So Makhumalo, that's why she was asking Musamseleku why Makwela quit her job. So Macele, I don't understand why she is upsetting. You know that you can upset for something doesn't matter or what, because Makhumalo was just asking the question why Makwela quit her job, because she knows that Musamseleku can come again to Makhumalo and say, can you help me this and that, what, you understand? His wives, they have to go to work. Even Macele, Musamseleku was supposed to find a job for Macele, you understand? Because sometimes, guys, he knows that he can't pay all those bills like that. Makwela was asking money and Musamseleku gave Makwela 100 rands. Makwela is regretting for quitting her job. She is regretting, guys. You can regret that you quit your job and that person promised you many of the things, because Makwela was expecting that she is going to have those cars, expensive cars, but now she have got a Polo. I saw Musamseleku brought Makwela a Polo Vivo because Makwela have got a child with Musamseleku. So those kids, Musamseleku doesn't want his kids to have a taxi, to have public transport, because as celebrates, you know that, guys, kids of the celebrities, they don't use public transport. So Musamseleku buy a Polo Vivo for Makwela to use that car. But imagine, guys, yes, a Polo Vivo is better than nothing, because there are some of the people who are dating other people. You are in marriage, but your husband didn't do anything in your marriage, you understand? But Makwela, Musamseleku buy a car for Makwela, a Polo Vivo, is better than nothing. So Musamseleku, Makhumalo was asking Musamseleku, I think it's better to find a job for Makwela, but he can't do it now. Why? Because Makwela is not staying with Musamseleku. Musamseleku, he will find a job for Makwela when they are ready staying together. Yes, he can do it because he knows that Makwela can leave him anytime. You know that when you have got your own money, you are now independent. You can ask yourself, why do you marry to that old man? That's why Musamseleku doesn't want Makwela, because he wants Makwela to beg him every time, because of the situation. Makwela, she looks like she is desperate to stay with Musamseleku in Muzumbe, and those wives they are delaying. You understand? So guys, it's very why Macele she was upset because Makumalo was asking a good question.